Hello YouTube, my name is Ben and I often upload videos about fragrances, footwear, and anything related to lifestyle for that matter. So if you are new on this channel and you are interested in any of those things, I would like to invite you to look around in the channel, and I assure you, you will find something that will perk your interest. If you are a regular visiting this channel, I want to say thank you very much for your support. So for today's video, I just would like to share with you some of the items I consider myself essential for the summer season. But before I start with the actual list of items I had prepared for you, I would like to include two items that I just want to do an honorable mention of them because I consider they are very important anyway, but they couldn't make it to this list for one reason or another. And one of the items I think that are important for this summer, but I didn't include it in the list because I think they are just basic stuff, is sunscreen protection. Sunscreen protections are widely available and every store have them. You can find them in moisturizer form with sunscreen protection already included in it, or you can find them in a spray form where you can just spray it before to go around with your daily activities out in the sun. And the other item that I would like to include in as an honorable mention is a pair of sunglasses. If you remember my spring item list, sunglasses was one of the included in that list, and that's why I didn't want to include it in this list because I think they can carry over from spring. Today I have this pair of wafer sunglasses, which I find them to be very stylish, and I would like to do a review probably in the future about this style of sunglasses. So item number 5 for this list I wanted to include is just a t-shirt. I think it's nice in the hot days of summer just to have a t-shirt, and for that I wanted to include a plain white colored t-shirt. I normally wear a crew neck t-shirt, but for this season I want to go different, and I am choosing the V-neck t-shirt. I think a plain white or black or any solid color will be a good choice for the summer. You can style those shirts with anything you want, with denim, with chinos. And for item number 5 for this list, for the summer days, I wanted to include a nice pair of shorts. In this season, I think it's time to let the jean short go, and I decided to go for a nice khakis or chinos fabric style shorts. I wanted to go a little bit creative in this season too, and I decided to go with some playful colors. I think they will be a good match for a plain shirt. You can style them. I think they can be styled very well together with a nice solid color t-shirt, which was the item number 5 on the list. So short for the summertime. And for item number 3 on the list, I wanted to include a nice pair of boat shoes. Boat shoes may not be the style of choice for everyone, but I recently got this pair and I've been really enjoying them on the hot days of this summer. You can also style boat shoes with pretty much anything you want except for when it comes to formal wear. But for casual wear, you can wear them with chinos, you can wear them with shorts, you can wear them to the beach, you can even wear them for a casual running errands in town. They are very, very comfortable. So item number 3 for this list will be boat shoes. Item number 2 in my list for summer essentials, I choose a hat. In the hot summer's day, I feel like it's really nice to have my head protected from the burning sun. So I wanted to include a hat in this list. And you can choose the hat that best suit your activities. And it's not even a bad idea to have a different style of hat, so you can choose one that will better suit the outfit of the day. For today's outfit, in my case, I went with this newsboy style hat or a cab driver hat. I think it suits really well the outfit that I've been wearing. So item number 2 for this list will be a hat. And if you know me, you probably already guessed what the item number 1 is for this list. And in this case, it's summer scent fragrance. I have here Aqua Amara by Bulgari. I think this is a perfect scent for the summer. The scent is really fresh, nice and citrusy. Performance, this fragrance is really decent. You can easily get either 5 to 6 hours, depending on your skin. And it's a pleasant scent, so people around you will enjoy it. Projection in this fragrance is not too bad either, so you can't really go wrong with it. It's an easy to find fragrance, really affordable, and it's very nice. I recently got this one and it got me a compliment right away the first time I wore it, and I really enjoy it. Rumor has it that Bulgari is discontinuing this fragrance, so if you had the chance to find it, I'll say go ahead and get it, because it's gonna be out of stock pretty soon. So I decided to include it in this list. So that's it. So that's all I have for this video. Please let me know in a comment below if you think I should have included another item that you consider essential for the summertime. And also, I will appreciate if you consider to subscribe to this channel and become part of the community we're building here. I will also include in the description of this video all the information for my social media, so you can also come and join me in other platforms. And I hope you decide to join us for the next video next week. Until then, bye.